Hello students, how are you? This is your article exercise, page number 36. We have done the article uh, where we can apply articles a and the. These are the articles, definite and indefinite. If you want to see the explanation of article and where we can use, please watch my previous video. That is article, okay? So today here we are doing the exercise. Okay, I saw an ocean for the first time last year. So in each of these sentences an article is missing. Place a slash where the article must be placed, then fill in each blank with the missing article. आपको क्या करना है बेटा, यहाँ पे आपको आर्टिकल बताना है, कौन सा आर्टिकल मिसिंग है यहाँ पे, और जहाँ पे भी वो आर्टिकल आएगा आपको स्लैश लगाना है उस प्लेस पर, और यहाँ फिलअप्स में उस मिसिंग आर्टिकल को लिखना है. Okay, so first I saw that I saw ocean for the first time last year. So which article will come here, and how can you guess? Yes, before the particular noun, or for the, if there is a consonant or a vowel sound of a. So here the definite articles are used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. These are a and an. And the definite article is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. For example, I ate the best restaurant in town. Okay, we have already discussed these in our previous video. So today, with the help of that, we will do the exercise. I saw an ocean. Here you have to write, here you have to put a slash. I saw an ocean. Okay, here you have to write slash, and here an will come, a and an will come. I saw an ocean for the first time last year. Now this is your page number 37. We will continue the article exercise. Second point is given here. Do you have to wear uniform to school every day? So where will come article? Yes, here you have to put a slash here. यहाँ आपको slash लगाना है, और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Uniform creating a sound of vowel or consonant? Yes, it's creating a sound of consonant. So A will come here. Okay, beta. Do you have to wear a uniform to school every day? Third is Nile is the longest river in Africa. When we are talking about the river, so the will come with also superlative degree, and before starting the sentence, the will come here. The Nile is the longest river in Africa. Now fourth, Jain Avesta is the holy book of Zoroastrian. So the will come here. Okay, the Jain Avesta. Here the will come. Okay. Fifth, it is honor to have met the president. So article will come here before honor. Okay, it is an honor to have met the president. An honor will come here. An honor. Okay. Now next exercise, B part, rewrite these sentences correctly. Here you have to write these sentence in correct form. So first is given, the iron rust easily. Rust means jung lagna. So in place of the iron rust easily, an iron rust easily. Okay, here an will come in a place of the. Second, we reached home late in afternoon. So when we are talking about the afternoon, the will come here. We reached home late in the afternoon. Third is, I saw Taj Mahal for the first time yesterday. As I have already told you that when we are talking about the buildings or monument, the will come. So I saw the Taj Mahal. Okay, the Taj Mahal for first time. For the first time. Okay, for the first time yesterday. Fourth, the football is an exciting game. When we are talking about the cricket or football, no article will come here. Okay, so football only, no article, the will not come here. Football is an exciting game will come. Okay, fifth point is, I had the breakfast before I came to school. So when we are talking about the breakfast, no article will come here, so put a cross. I had breakfast. I had breakfast before I came to the school. The school will come. Okay, is it clear? Now come to the next. Next exercise is given here, E part. It's on your page number 38. Let's perfect it. A point. Fill in articles wherever necessary. Put a cross where it is not required. जहाँ पर आर्टिकल लगेगा वहाँ पर आपको लिखना है, और जहाँ पे आर्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं है वहाँ आप क्रॉस लगाइएगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट, I enjoy listening to. The will come. Listening to the number of programs on. Here you have to cross. Here you have to write cross. Cross आएगा यहाँ पर. Radio. Second point, he telephoned an agent who was listened in the directory. Okay, he telephoned. Here an will come, an agent, and here the will come. The. In third, here no article will come. Okay, here you have to write cross. आपको यहाँ cross लिखना है. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak. The will come here because here we are talking about the superlative degree, highest. The highest. Okay. Fourth, Abraham carried an umbrella, producing here the vowel sound umbrella. Okay, अगर आपको अभी भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा कहाँ पे ए और एन द लगाना है, तो आप मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं. उसमें मैंने हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर रखा है, वेयर वी कैन यूज ए एन एंड द. ओके, Abraham carried an umbrella to dash school every day. So here no article will come. Here you have to write cross. Fifth, he got a job. A job in the best. Again superlative degree, the best will come. Okay, restaurant in town. Sixth, the children watched the film yesterday. So the children watched the film yesterday. Seventh, They asked him the most difficult question. Again, superlative degree, the most. Welcome. Okay, the. Here 8. He requested. He requested an early reply to his letter. 9th, she might go to the school in England. 10th, she wanted to have a good meal. 11th, look at the blue sky. Look at the blue sky. 4th, Mathura is a holy city. Mathura is a holy city. Done? Next. Now next, it's page number same, 38 page number. Here composition is given in your book. So A point, fill in the blanks using article, then complete the story with ideas of your own in your notebook. So here you have to complete the story by using articles, okay? Once upon a time. Once upon a time in the Fairway Forest, there lived a ferocious dragon who killed animals. A ferocious dragon who killed animals for pleasure. The animals of the forest. The animals of the forest made a bargain with the dragon. Here, the dragon. They agreed that each day one animal would willingly come to the dragon's lair to be his super. One day it was one day it was an anteater's turn to go. The anteater crept along slowly all the while thinking what to do. Where you are late. Why you are late? The dragon roared when the anteater arrived. I am late because of an other dragon, said the anteater. In my jungle, take me to this other dragon. The anteater led the dragon to the deep well and told him to look in. So I am repeating the answer, all answer. Here you have to write a, here a, the animal, the forest, the dragon, the dragons, here the dragon slayer. One day it was, and the anteater, here also the anteater, and other dragon, the anteater, the dragon, the deep. Okay, hope you understand all the exercise very clearly. If you have any doubt, you can watch the previous articles where we can apply a, and the use of articles we have already discussed in our previous video. Okay, so bye bye to all. Here we have completed first chapter article.